Our sincere tribute and honor to Srimati Sarita Sahu, Scientist F, Senior Director IT on the eve of her superannuation. Born in Sunabeda, Koraput, in 1965 you completed your matriculation in 1980 from the renowned Puri Zilla School. After completing ISC in 1982 from SCS College, Puri, and BSc with Physics Honours and Distinction in 1984 from Adi Women's College, Bhubaneswar, you obtained your MSc degree in Physics in 1986 from Utkal University. You went on to earn your PGDCA in 1987 and an MPhil in Physics in 1988 from Utkal University, Bhubaneswar. Later, you completed MS in Software Systems from BITS, Pilani, Rajasthan while in service. Your career in government service began when you joined NIC, Odisha State Centre, Bhubaneswar on 20th September 1988. Initially you were posted in the Systems Support Group and looked after operations of the NEC S1000 system. The job involved testing of job control language scripts for various internal functions of the NEC S1000. You also developed office automation software for the Ministry of Environment, Government of India using COBOL and performed mathematical computations for the Institute of Physics using Fortran. In August 1995, you were entrusted with the responsibility of overseeing computerization of Odisha Legislative Assembly. Several software solutions for legislative business processes, including modules for calling attention notices, adjournment motions, questions and replies, MLA pay bills, and other related activities were successfully developed and implemented by you. The credit for implementation of TechLib Plus, based on powerful RDBMS Basis Plus in the OLA library goes to you. In 2019, the National E-Vidhan application, NEVA, was adopted under the leadership of Honorable Speaker, late Dr. Surya Narayan Patro. Since then, the legacy systems have been phased out and NEVA marked a significant transformation in the digital functioning of the Odisha Legislative Assembly. Today, Odisha Assembly stands as a model for NEVA implementation across the country. During 2010, you were assigned the responsibility of Department of Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment, Government of Odisha. Some of the key projects developed and implemented under your leadership in the agriculture sector include DBT on farm mechanization using Aadhaar Vault Service, automation system for DBT on Jalnidhi, complete automation of Odisha Agro Industries Corporation, seed certification automation system for Osopka and Uttarakhand State Seed Certification Agency, DBT on e-field demonstration, automation systems for licensing of agricultural inputs, DBT on seed, etc. The systems are integrated with payment gateways systems of banks like HDFC, Axis, IDBI, ICICI, BOI, sharing data to Bharat DBT portal, IRI, Precision Agriculture, DSS and other Government of India portals for different schemes. eRupee, a NPCI product, has been successfully implemented across the state using InstaBiz app of ICICI Bank. For your contributions in the agriculture sector, you won 2 National E-Governance Awards Bronze for use of ICT for delivering mechanized agricultural implements in 2013 and Silver for Innovative use of ICT for Odisha State Seed and Organic Products Certification Agency in 2016, bringing laurels to NIC. Besides, you won CSI Nihilant E-Governance Award of Appreciation in 2018 for seed certification and distribution through DBT for the farmers of Odisha, CSI e-Governance Award of Acknowledgement in 2020 for Digital Transformation Solution. For distribution and monitoring of farm implements and increasing irrigation potential through electric and solar power of Odisha Agriculture and CSI e-Governance Award of Excellence in 2022 for paperless assembly. Your paper on Gati, governance with accountability, transparency and innovation for citizen-centric services for Odisha Farmer, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment, Government of Odisha submitted for 19th National Conference on E-Governance Compendium won the Best Paper Award in 2016. Your paper, Seeding the Seed Journey in Odisha, was published in the New Beginning Book of Honorable Prime Minister, prepared by Darpak during 2017, which is a significant achievement. You served as the State Coordinator for NEVA, Nodal Officer for NEGP-A from 2016 to 2019 and Parliament State Coordinator for AgrisNet from 2011 to 2016. You were part of the delegation that visited Parliament and Assemblies of Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan Assembly with the Empowered House Committee on Computerization of Odisha Legislative Assembly with Honorable Speaker and other dignitaries. Madam, as a God-loving person, you have performed your official duty with due dignity and diligence, serving the nation. Your pleasing personality, genuine, caring, loving attitude will always be treasured and cherished by the NIC Uns of Odisha. With our sincere and hearty wishes of gratitude, wish you a peaceful, blissful and healthy life. With our love and prayers, National Informatics Center, Odisha.